Hey, McKay Construction. This is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. Thank you for getting back to me. I'm happy I can show you this video. Some tips and tricks on some things you can do to outrank your competition over here in Atlanta. Before I get started, I don't want to waste your time with this. I want to be able to give you as much value as possible with this video. So by the end of it, you see that I have some knowledge in this space and you'd like to move forward with my team and myself, feel free to reach out and we'd love to work. But if not, absolutely no harm, no foul. The only thing we ask is that you let us know if there was something we could have done better to have served you more value in this short video. So the three things I'm going to go over for you real quick, three things that are super effective and impactful if you implement them right in your business online. Those three things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So we'll start with content since we're on your homepage right here. Content's going to be all the written content of words that you have on your page, the images of content, and then the images behind everything else. So when it comes to the actual written words of content, you guys have a decent amount, but we usually do 1,500 words minimum, probably around 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. You want it to be a little bit more wordy so you can pack in as many keywords as possible. When the Google crawlers crawl on your website, the more keywords you have that are significant to your industry and your business in the area, so on and so forth, that's how you rank a lot higher. And it can't be just keywords kind of just piled on top of each other. It has to be a little bit more flowy, a little bit more organic for Google to identify that. And then when it comes to the actual images you have on your site, those just need to be saved as the highest ranking keywords in your area for the images behind everything and in the foreground. So that was a quick run through of content, some things you can implement right now to rank higher on Google. Citations will be the next little thing we'll talk about. So what a citation is going to be the business name, your business address, and the business's phone number as it is in the Google Map Pack section. So those three elements create one citation. And the more directories you have citations in, that'll rank you higher in the map pack section. So that is essentially how you rank higher in this and become like the top three right here, which captures a whole lot of that local business. And directories, I guess, would be Facebook, Yellow Pages, BBB, LinkedIn, stuff like that. Just platforms for businesses to put their content in there and put their citations in there rather. And we actually have this, it's called whitespark.ca. This is a paid tool online. You can go and find it yourself. And what you can do with this tool actually is you can plug in your information, as you can see right here, and all of your competition's information to see exactly how many citations they have and where they're getting their citations from. So as you can see, you guys have 18 citations, which is definitely not bad. Compared to your competition, you have Atlanta Roofing Specialist with 35 citations. They're in that map pack section. You have Mr. Roofer of Atlanta in the map pack section with 25 citations, and Colony Roofers with 66 citations. And the cool thing about this tool is you can actually go in here and you can see where they're getting their citations from, the directories that they have put their citations in, and you can essentially go in and get the exact same citations for your business. It would take a little bit of time, of course, but it would be worth it to rank a lot higher in the map pack section to capture a lot more of that higher ranking business. And then we'll go into the last topic of discussion, which is going to be backlinks. So this tool is another paid tool online. We pay around $300 for my team and myself for this tool. It's called Ahrefs. And what you can do with this is you can see your referring domains, your backlinks, your competition's referring domains, backlinks, organic keywords, so on and so forth. So with this, we're going to go over backlinks. So what a backlink is, it's going to be a link from your site to another site or from a different site to your site. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say you want to have, you guys have 54 backlinks right now and you want to have 200 backlinks to at least start to compete with some of these more dominating websites. If you were to go for like a McDonald's, like a Taco Bell or a Walmart, because those are bigger names online, they wouldn't hold nearly as much weight and you wouldn't rank because they're completely irrelevant to your industry. So it needs to be very specific to the industry that you're in, like a Home Depot, or actually let's go into I have actually your competition pulled up right here, and you can go in on Ahrefs and you can see exactly on whitespark.ca where they're getting their backlinks from. And you can do the exact same thing. They obviously had around 800 backlinks, but you can go in here, you can see like home.com, realhomes.com, homebuilderdigest.com, family handyman, so on and so forth. Very relevant and very impactful to their rankings online. Same with Atlanta Roofing Specialists. I have them tagged in here as well. And you can see they have 1,100 keywords, 900 backlinks, and that's giving them 2,600 organic traffic per month. And over here, they're actually getting 3,600 organic traffic per month. And a lot of that is due to obviously the citations, the content, and the backlinks. Keywords, we can get into that another time. I don't want to make this video too long for you, but I want to make sure that you saw these tools and you learned about some of this information so you could rank your website higher online and grab more of that higher ranking business. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you did find value in this and you would like to move forward with my team and myself, or even just like a conversation on some things that may have popped into your head, feel free to reach back. But if not, no harm, no foul. Hope you enjoy the rest of your night. Bye-bye.